In this video I want to show you how to open the hood of your Hyundai Elantra. So first step is to go in the driver's footwell. Okay, this is the driver's footwell. Usually this panel is like that, but you're gonna find the latch right over here that you need to pull towards you. Pull it fully, all right? You can even do it twice or 3 times just to make sure that the hood has unlatched. Next step is to go on the front. And right above the Hyundai logo, it's hard to see, all right? But you can glide your fingers inside and you're gonna feel a latch that you need to push up. I'll show you once the hood is open, you're gonna have a visual on it. So I'm pushing on that and pulling up the hood at the same time. If you're doing with 2 hands, it will be much easier. So once the hood is open, okay, this was the latch, by the way, that you need to pull up. Once the hood is open, take the rod over here. I'll try to do it with 1 hand. And you're gonna place it right over there. And now the hood is staying open. You see, this was the latch I was talking about. You need to push it up like this to unlock the hood and then pull up. And now you have access to the engine bay. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a comment down below. Take your time, leave a comment. Tell me if I explained right or maybe I forgot something. And yeah, leave a like, subscribe.